Well, this is a scene of utter devastation, layer upon layer of concrete and brick and metal. The debris is what remains of the factory that collapsed as more than 150 people were working there. Many have been pulled out, some severely injured, but we're told that between 20 and 50 people could be trapped under the rubble. Rescue workers are racing against time, trying to pull people out. We did speak to one of them who said he could hear noises and sounds of people moving under the debris. And these are the people they're trying to pull out as quickly as they can. But as you can see, this operation is going to be very difficult and it's going to take a while. Families have surrounded the area. Many have been waiting for hours overnight. We did speak to one mother who had 4 boys working in that factory. 3 of them were pulled out, but her youngest, a 14-year-old, is said to be still under the rubble. She still hasn't heard anything about him. There are theories about why this happened. We don't have any conclusive evidence of why this building collapsed, but there is a theory that it was affected by the earthquake which hit Pakistan and Afghanistan less than 2 weeks ago. But some people say that this building was not fit for use even before that, that there were cracks there and there was some unofficial construction going on, and maybe that has caused the collapse and the damage.